Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Selena Jazz, and for today's video is I'm going to guide you on how to install Xampp and WordPress locally on your Windows PC. Alam naman natin guys na napakahalaga ng isang website kapag ikaw ay may negosyo. Kaya kung ikaw ay nagtitipid at gusto mong matutunan kung paano gumawa ng website, ang videong ito ay para sa iyo. And without any further ado guys, ay mag-start na tayo. First na gagawin natin guys is to download and install Xampp on your computer. And always remember guys na yung pinaka-accurate is always nasa number 1 search ni Google. So i-click mo lang yung pinaka number 1 top search ni Google and then download the Xampp for Windows with the updated version. After downloading, run the file you downloaded to launch Xampp installer. And guys, if you're running an antivirus sa iyong computer, ay lalabas ang ganitong warning. And just select yes to continue. Depending on your Windows configuration, you might also get a prompt about user account control. So i-continue mo lang, and once you get through all the prompts, you should see the standard installer screen. Just click next to continue. On the next screen, you can choose which components to install. To install Xampp and WordPress, you do not need all of the components. In addition to the required components, all you need are MySQL and php-myadmin. Then, you can now select which folder to install Xampp. Ako guys, I leave it as the default. On the next screen, you do not need to install Xampp and WordPress, so just uncheck the box. Once you click next, you're ready to run the installer. And once it finishes guys, you can launch the control panel to start working with Xampp. So to install Xampp and WordPress properly, you'll need to run Apache and MySQL. Just click Start. After clicking Start, ay magkakakulay ng berde ang Apache at MySQL. And you should be able to test that your local server is working. Just click Admin. And you have successfully installed Xampp on your system. And this is it guys. Mag-install na tayo ng WordPress. Let's go sa wordpress.org and get WordPress at i-install natin ang kanilang latest update ng WordPress. And pupunta ako sa aking downloads kung saan nakastore ang aking dinownload na WordPress folder. And ito po ang laman ng WordPress na dinownload ko. Then, let's navigate the htdocs na makikita natin sa ating local C sa Xampp. So, sa loob ng htdocs guys, ay gagawa tayo ng folder, namely sa ating desired website name. Next na gagawin natin guys ay ika-copy and paste natin yung laman ng WordPress na dinownload natin sa ating ginawang folder na website natin. Wait lang tayo ng ilang minutes para ma-copy and paste lahat ng WordPress files. And so, para mag-working ating WordPress, ay punta tayo sa ating php-myadmin at gagawa tayo ng database. So, to create a database, click New. When creating a database guys, ay kailangang same lang ng name sa ginawa mong folder doon sa iyong local disk C. Next is copy and paste the wp-config-sample at gawin mo itong wp-config lamang. And then, i-open mo siya sa iyong ginagamit na editor. Ang ginamit ko sa aking editor, guys, is Visual Studio Code. And so, guys, ito na yung laman ng ating wp-config.php. And so, let's add the database name na ginawa natin kanina sa ating php-myadmin. And yung default natin, guys, na database user is root. And sa database password is, you just to leave it blank. And save it, guys. And before anything else, guys, let's go sa ating Windows na makikita natin sa ating local C. And hahanapin natin si System32. And so, pupunta din tayo sa drivers. And click on etc and i-open mo si host sa iyong Visual Studio. And then I'm gonna copy this line and paste it below. And I am going to change this name to the folder name I have just created earlier na my WordPress. After that, go back to your Xampp folder, click Apache, click conf, click extra, and find this httpd-vhosts and open it to your Visual Studio Code. Select and copy this line and paste it below. Next is, I'm going to change the name to the folder I just have created, which is my WordPress. And save it. So, para ma-sure natin na working ang everything, is i-open natin siya sa ating browser gamit ang local host. So, let's type in my WordPress /wp-admin. And guys, ayan, nag-error siya. So, probably may nagawa akong mali sa pag-install. So, let's go back, check on the name, kung tama ba lahat ng mga pangalan. Kasi, dyan talaga, usually, nagkakaroon ng error sa ating code. Ayan. My WordPress. Oops. 3 S yung aking folder sa aking htdocs. So, I have to correct it, guys, kasi yung aking nagawang database is WordPress. 2 S lang siya. So, I'm for sure magra-run na ito. So, i-refresh lang natin yung ating browser. And let's reload and wait a bit. Oops! Ito na po ang WordPress. So, I'm gonna set up the language and I'm gonna use the Australia English. Fill in your site title na yung ginawa ko, yung napili kong site title is my WordPress. Ang gagamitin kong username is admin and yung sa password, bahala na. Kahit ano. And then, you can choose your email address to use and click on Discourage Search Engine from Indexing. Then, install WordPress. So, if makakalimutin ka, kagaya ko, ay i-save mo yung password and ito po yung login ng WordPress na ginawa ko. And, You're in the dashboard right now sa WordPress. So, ito na yung dashboard ng WordPress na ginawa natin. Successful yung pag-install. And guys, ito yung ating front-end side ng ginawa nating WordPress website. So, as you can see, it's so clean. Wala pa siyang laman. And for that, ay sa susunod na video ko na siya ituturo sa inyo kung paano maglagay ng mga templates sa iyong WordPress website. So, that's all for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Kung nagustuhan mo ang aking video tutorial na ito, ay mag-subscribe ka sa aking channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and kung may mga tanong ka all about in web developing, ay mag-comment ka lang dyan sa baba. So, antabayanan nyo guys yung aking susunod na video kasi ay i-continue ko yung video kong tutorial na ito about sa WordPress para magkaroon kayo ng sarili nyong website. So, thank you so much for watching guys. See you on my next video. Bye!